everybody, my name is Lyndsey. So I am going to break this down in simplest form for you guys for the AIRLESS InStyler. So the number one question we get asked is, which way is this barrel supposed to be rotating? And I have a secret for you. There is one simple way that this should be rotating at all times. For one, when you're curling your hair, and for when you're straightening your hair. When it's on your right-hand side, make sure when you close this barrel that that straight line is always rotating away from your face. When you go to the left side, make sure that that straight line is always rotating away from your face. And there you go. If you double click this, it's going to rotate. So you have control of which way this barrel is gonna rotate and which way it's going to go on your hair. Now, it's gonna be so much easier so you guys don't get confused and you don't do it the wrong way, because if you do go the wrong way, it kicks the hair back, and we don't want that to happen. So what we want is to make sure that even when you're straightening it and you're holding the barrel with the brush on the top, on the right side, you want that straight line to be going away. On the left side, if you're straightening, you want that straight line to be going away from your face. So I kept out a bunch of straight pieces back here so I can show you, one, how to curl it, and two, how to straighten it. So on my right side, I'm gonna take this section of hair. Again, make sure it's going away from my face. I'm gonna wrap my hair and close the barrel. I can see that straight line obviously rotating away from me. Now think of it as like when you're brushing your hair. If you brush your hair going up, then your hair is just gonna get all frizzy, and there's absolutely no point to brush your hair that way. You wanna brush your hair going down, because then it'll be nice and smooth. That's the exact same thing with this rotating barrel. You want to make sure that it is always going in the same direction as your hair. And when your hair grows out from your root, it grows straight down. So you want to make sure it's nice and smooth. So this is always going in the direction of your hair cuticle and your hair. So now I got my nice curl. And now say I was to straighten it. When I go to the left, I'm gonna double click. Now, if you're holding it this way, again, make sure that straight line is always going away from your face. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this helped.